My name is Scott, and I have a passion for photography, especially nature photography. But when I'm out on the trail, my DSLR gear can be pretty cumbersome. For many years, I've looked forward to the day when our cameras and our smartphones would catch up to the quality of photography cameras. That time has arrived. The camera in my iPhone 10 is shockingly good. But the physical design in the modern smartphone is, well, terrible when it comes to taking pictures. Phones are awkward to grip and difficult to hold steady, and the inconvenient shutter button means that you'll usually be using two hands to take a photo. This is because phones were ergonomically designed to function as phones and internet devices, not cameras. This is why we created the Shuttercase. Shuttercase was designed for taking photos. The grip makes it easy to hold and operate one-handed. Our patented mechanical shutter mechanism moves the shutter button from down here, which is too close to the lens and awkward to reach with your finger, to up here, the place where a traditional shutter button is located on a real camera. Shuttercase makes life easier in virtually every photography situation. Shuttercase is also compatible with moment lenses, which will really allow you to unleash your creativity and unlock the full potential of your phone's camera. Long photography sessions will drain a battery very quickly, so we've been sure to include a battery pack in the grip so that way you can keep taking pictures long into the night. For the last year, we've been obsessed with perfecting Shuttercase. From the resistance of the shutter button to the feeling in the grip of your hand, we've done all that we can to bring back the things we miss about traditional cameras. So let's get back to taking pictures the way that they were meant to be. Please back our campaign today, and we'll send you a Shuttercase. Thanks.